Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are in a short trip and I have this homemade granola bar. Let's see how it's made.
Welcome back to my kitchen. As usual, we will use simple ingredients to make these granola bars. We need 225 grams mix of flakes like oat, rye, wheat flakes, 50 grams of cranberry, goji berry and barberry, 25 grams of cashew, 25 grams of almonds, 25 grams mix of seeds, 150 grams of dried dates, 1 tablespoon of honey. We have 5 steps. 1. Chop almonds and cashew, put them in the tray with the flakes and seeds. 2nd, put the tray in the oven for 7-8 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Third, blend the dried dates. Fourth, put everything together and mix it well, very well. Fifth, add them to the fridge overnight. Oh, and I forgot the last step. Enjoy your homemade granola bars.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Have fun cooking and bye bye.